Before refill the water, please drain all the water out from the cartridges first. Before add the water into the cartridge, so we can use your hand to squeeze this film and then to exhaust the air from the cartridge first, and then at the same time you can add the water into it like this.
在加水的过程中，手慢慢松开。
Okay, when you are adding the water from this hole, so you can release your hand smoothly.
好，加进去了以后，在下次。
And then before the next step, before you can continue to add water, and then let's repeat this step. Squeeze this film again, and then inject the other waters into it again. And then we should repeat these steps again and again until the water was full. So when adding the water, when you squeeze the film and then there's a little bit water coming out, then you can slant the cartridge a little bit and then squeeze here so the water will not able to come out. Okay, just slant the cartridges a little bit and then you can continue to add the water into it. So you are able to add full water. And then you can release it again. Just slant the cartridge and then squeeze this part. When you slant the cartridge, there's no water in this part. So you squeeze here, there will be no water coming out. And then you can add more water into it. So right now, let's show you the difference between the full water inside and just a little bit water inside, the difference between them. So first of all, when you press it, so you can feel, obviously there's much pressure here and it will bounce back immediately. And for this one, you can feel this real pressures inside. Okay, there's less water because there's less water inside. The second difference is that when the water is almost full, you can see there's a little bit gas inside. When you shape it, you can see a little bit, but if there's less water inside, you can barely see any water here and gas inside. And the third difference thing is that when you put it like this, you can see the water covered here almost everywhere. So you can see only a little bit gas inside. But for this one, you can see bare water, barely no water here. That's the difference between full water inside and with a little bit water inside. So try to fill full water inside into the cartridge. When you are filling the water, please pay more attention to this part. Do not break it off.